So if you're still sending order updates and abandoned cart reminders through email, you are missing out on a huge opportunity. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate WhatsApp with your WooCommerce store so you can automatically send WhatsApp notification to your customers, recover lost sales, and keep them engaged. So let's get started. To integrate WhatsApp, you need to set up your phone number with WhatsApp Business API through a Meta partner. For this video, we will be use WANotifier. They are one of the leading WhatsApp marketing and automation platform out there that make it very easy for you to get WhatsApp API access and integrate WhatsApp with your WooCommerce stores. So let me show you how to set up that. So first of all, you need to open the WANotifier.com website. And in this website, you'll see here the option of the start free trial. Click on this. So once you click on this, you need to fill all these details. So let me just put some details here and click on sign up. Now you will receive a link in your email to verify your email address. Let's click here. What do you primarily want to use WANotifier for? Then next, then the contact you plan to message, 1 to 5K, website ads. So once you fill all the details, click on continue and you can see let's connect your phone. Now these are the must-have requirement to create a business API. So first is your new phone number or number connected to the WhatsApp business. Second one is valid business registration document required. Third is valid live website for your business. And fourth one is payment method like credit card or debit card. If you do not have one or more of these, unfortunately, you won't be able to set up your number. If you are eligible, then click on Connect with Facebook. I will not cover all these steps in this video, otherwise it will make the video quite long. But you can click on this Watch Tutorial video button where they have shown the details how to complete the setup. So once you set up a phone number, you will redirect to the dashboard and your dashboard look like this. Now the next step is we need to open our website and we need to install one plugin. And in the left side, you will see the plugin option. And then you need to search here, order and abandoned cart notification for WooCommerce. And here you can see order and abandoned cart notifications for WooCommerce by WANotifier. Click on install now and then click on activate. Or you can directly download from WordPress repo also. I'll give you the link in the description. Once the plugin is activated, now go to the WooCommerce and here you will see the WANotifier. Click on this. Now here, we need to click on Connect Existing Account. Click on this. Now click on Connect. And that will redirect you to your website again. And it's done. The plugin is connected now. Now your WooCommerce store is connected to WANotifier. Now let's set up the first use case is order notification. Go to the WANotifier dashboard. But before we create the notification, we first need to create a message template. This is the WhatsApp message that will send to your customer when they place an order. Here, this is a dashboard. Now click on the content library, click on message templates, and then click on add new message template. Here, we need to enter template name. My template name is suppose order name. Now we need to select the category. So I'm going to select the utility here. And scroll down and you'll see here the two things, header and body. So in a header, you can select as a text and media. So when you select text, so you have an option to add header. And when you select the media, so you can add an image here. So I'm going to select here the text. And in the text, I'm going to add here order details. Now scroll down and this is the body. And here you can type a message like this. Dear, thank you for your order or your order ID, total amount and your order now. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the variables that we are going to map with the details. Scroll down and you'll see here the sample text for variables. So you need to enter the sample text. So the first one is the name, second is your order ID, and the third one is the amount, and the fourth one is order status. Now scroll down and you'll see the footer. So right now the footer is sent by WANotifier.com. So you can add anything here, tcv.com or whatever you want to add, you can add here. Now scroll down and you will see the button here. Click on add button and you can select the visit website here, or you can add the call phone number or copy offer code. For now here, I'm going to select the visit website. Scroll down and you will see the website name. Now I'm going to enter the website name here. Now we have to submit this template for approval. It will take a minute to 24 hours to approve your template. So let's click on submit for approval. Now we can see the order new and this one is approved. Now you can use this template. Now let's click on the notification and click on add new. Now here we need to add the notification name. So I'm going to just add the title is new order. Here's two notification types. I'm going to select the transactional. Here's the trigger. Select this and you will see a lot of triggers. Here this is our website and there are triggers like order status changed to cancel, order status changed to complete, new order is placed, new order based on cash on delivery, and there are a lot more. So for now, I'm going to select here the new order is placed. You can choose the trigger according to your requirement here. Now, when to send is immediately, field is billing phone number. Now, message template. We got approval for order new. Now here we need to map the values. So the first one is dear customer name. So scroll down and you will see here billing first name. Select this. Now for the second one, your order ID. So scroll down and you will see here the order ID. This is the WooCommerce order ID. Third one is we need to add the amount. So you'll see here the order total amount. And the fourth one is your order status. So WooCommerce order status. Now here you can add the fallback value also. If there is any value is missing, then this WANotifier create a message with these values. Now let's click on the save. Now we created our notification. Now let's see how this will work in our backside. And now I'm going to place one order here. Blue denim jeans. Click on add to cart, see to check out. Let's fill your phone number here and click on place order. You can see the order is placed here. You can see dear Saurabh, thank you for your order. Your order ID is this. Order total amount is this and your order is now processing. Thank you. This is amazing. And you can see the visit site also option. Once you click on this, you will redirect to our website. This is fantastic. Now let's see how we can set up the abandoned cart notification. So before we create a templates, we need to go to our WordPress website dashboard to enable the abandoned cart settings. Go to your website dashboard and click on WooCommerce and click on WANotifier. Now click on the settings option. Now you need to click on the abandoned cart. Now we can see the cart tracking. So just check this option and the cutoff time, mean time after which the cart is considered abandoned. I'm going to add this timing to 30 and last time is 10 and click on save changes. So once it's done, now let's go to the WANotifier dashboard and same thing we need to do again. Go to the content library, then message template, then click on add new message template. And here we need to type our message template name like abandoned cart. Select the utility, header is text, and you can enter header is 20% discount. And in a body, I'm going to just add here, hey, you left something in your cart. Use coupon code DIS20 to get 20% off on your order. Don't miss out. You can see the sample text for variable. You can just enter here your name here. And this is the footer text. And this is our button. So in the button, you can do a lot of things. It's like visit website, copy offer code, or call phone number. So I'm going to just select a copy offer code. So I'm going to just enter the offer code like this and then click on submit for approval. Now our template is approved. Now let's go to the notification and click on add new. And here the title is abandoned order notification. Notification type is transactional integration and the trigger. So trigger is card is abandoned, WANotifier. Select this and the when to send immediately. Then WooCommerce cart abandoned and select the field customer billing phone number. Scroll down and you can see the message template. So we got approval for abandoned cart. This template, select this. You can see the select a value. So I'm going to just select the WooCommerce billing name, first name like this. For copy code, I'm going to select the custom value here, DIC20 like this. Now let's save this. For this point on, anytime someone adds product to the cart and leaves without buying, they will automatically receive a WhatsApp reminder helping you recover lost revenue completely on autopilot. And not just that, you can also sync your customer data with WANotifier and send them promotional offer using bulk marketing campaign. Or you can also add the WhatsApp chat button to your website using this plugin. Here's the option. You just need to put your number and you can use the WhatsApp in your website. So this is how you can set up your WooCommerce store with WANotifier. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.